In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Trello board. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your boards, how to browse them efficiently, and how to quickly narrow down to the one you need using sort, filter, and search tools. Start on your Trello boards page while signed in. On the left side, look for the boards option in the sidebar. Go ahead and click it. This brings you to a central place where all your boards are organized, making it the best starting point for getting around Trello. Near the top, you'll see a section for recently viewed. Think of this as your quick history. It highlights boards you opened most recently, which is perfect when you're bouncing between a few projects during the day. If you're ever retracing your steps, this section will usually get you back in just a click. Scroll a bit and you'll find your workspaces. Workspaces group boards by team or project area, helping you focus on the context that matters. If you work across multiple teams, this is where you can switch gears. Open a workspace to see the boards you're part of in that group, then choose the one you want to work on. If you're looking for something older or archived, select View All Closed Boards. Closed boards are essentially tucked away, not deleted. This view is helpful for reviewing past projects, referencing old tasks, or restoring a board you need again, if your permissions allow it. If you don't see what you expect, double check here before assuming a board is gone. When you're ready to return to your main list, click Boards again in the sidebar to jump back to your primary view. To make large lists manageable, use Sort By. Sorting can reorder your boards by recency or alphabetically, which is great for cleaning up a cluttered view or keeping frequently updated work near the top. Pick the option that matches how you think, by name or by what you used most recently. Next, try Filter By. Filtering narrows the list based on attributes such as workspace, visibility, or other criteria available in your setup. This is especially useful if you're part of many boards and want to focus only on a specific team or category. Finally, use search to jump straight to a board. Start typing the board's name or a key term, and Trello will surface matches immediately. If a board doesn't appear, clear any filters you set earlier, then try again. That's it. Use recently viewed for speed, your workspaces for context, close boards for archives, and sort, filter, and search to zero in fast.